It is called Unimog Low, and is eagerly awaited by many Unimog users, especially in municipal operations. The vehicle is now celebrating its premiere, with an unprecedented concept that makes the smallest Unimog even lower and more efficient. This is made possible by the factory lowering the chassis together with the corresponding wheel/tyre combination. In this case, the 295/60R 22.5 are used, which are the smallest possible tyres for the Unimog. The vehicle based on the Unimog U 219 with platform and platform intermediate frame from Eggers Fahrzeugbau offers a particularly low loading height of approximate 1.2 m. This makes loading and unloading significantly easier. The height of the rear loading edge is around 20 centimeters lower than before. The reduced frame height is achieved by modifying the spring brackets. For more convenient loading and unloading, for example by municipal yard staff, the Unimog Low has been lowered by approximately 20 centimeters. As a result, the upper spring seat level was offset by about 40 millimeters in relation to the chassis level. The body space above the upper frame edge remains unchanged, since the previous support bar is no longer required. Stability is ensured by the increased wall thickness of the low spring bracket. Built for the construction yard. The advantages of this Unimog concept are particularly beneficial to construction sites that use the Unimog for municipal work. Whether unloading equipment and work material or loading shingle, earth, sand and gravel, for example.